Hi everyone, welcome to Woodlands in Brandywine, Maryland. Are you still looking for a new construction? Well, if you are shopping around for a townhome, I am presenting to you Woodland. Welcome home. So this particular model has 4 level. So on the ground floor, that's really where you have your entry door and your garage. On the first level, which is where we are right now, this is where you have your dining room area, your kitchen, your living room area. So this is the second floor. On the third floor, that is where you have your 3 bedroom, 1, 2, 4 bath. And then you have a fourth level where you actually have a small rec area slash den area that gives way to the outside. And then you have that balcony, a nice balcony area that you guys saw. So this townhome, the townhome in this community range from 450,000 up to 575. So less than $600,000, you can get a brand new townhome in Brandywine. What more can we ask for? Talk soon.